You are going to love the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. And is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, autonomous braking, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, compass, clock, suspension control electronic, child safety locks, power brakes, wireless charging station. Your new ride is just a phone call away.